What's up everybody, Kitten right here. So, as I told you in my previous video that Huawei and Samsung are rapidly working on making the first ever triple folding phone, well now there is more into this matter, like why Huawei desperately wants to make the first ever triple folding phone. So the first reason is that tech makers like Oppo and Vivo, which were also making the foldable smartphones, are now planning to withdraw from the foldable market as their market share dropped significantly last year. Moreover, the competition on the foldable phones seems to be more rigid this time. So there are two major brands which are available, one is Huawei and the other one is Samsung. So this is the main reason why Huawei is going to explore the triple folding mechanism. But there is more into this matter. According to the latest report, Huawei's triple folding phone may bear a 10-inch display panel. At the same time, the ultimate foldable is likely to target the two significant tech makers' products, which are the Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and the Apple iPad tablet. Yes, you heard it right now. This upcoming 10-inch triple folding phone will be able to give a tablet-like form factor. The eye-catching device could debut in the first half of this year with enormous features and tech pack capabilities. So the upcoming phone could be a game changer for Huawei, as the smartphone will give you three types of vibes. Obviously, you might be able to use it as a regular smartphone, plus you can unfold it to get the Galaxy Z Fold-like experience, and as soon as you unfold it, the Huawei triple foldable phone will take the shape of an Apple iPad. So I am telling you the right thing, that this phone could be the game changer for Huawei in the global market as well, which is still dominated by Samsung and Apple for the time being. Well, these firms will have a strong contender on ground in the coming days. Huawei already made a good appearance in the Chinese market due to the massive success of the Huawei's Mate 60 series. Meanwhile, Huawei is now planning to firm its legs on both Chinese and the global smartphone market with folding phones. So let's see what's gonna happen, as Samsung is also in the race to launch this phone first, but I am pretty sure that Huawei would mark the first to launch this phone. On the other hand, some reports are also saying that Apple is also exploring the foldable mechanism, but nothing is confirmed regarding Apple. So we have to wait until some more details are coming. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel if you want to keep updated regarding the latest news. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.